Guys, welcome back to this um wonderful time that we are having over here. Uh, Welcome to this wonderful time that we have over here. Um, okay, I think I need to do something. Just few secs. So welcome to this time, to this afternoon. Actually, it's Wednesday. It's the 26th of of August 2026. And just as the video suggests, this is just an update of how so far we've been doing. Remember, it's been our journey to 1 million Kenya shillings, and I said the way we are doing it, we have a 50 K pro farm account that we were targeting, to pass the phases and get funded and also get payout. Actually, the due date was 23rd, 23rd. The due date was 23rd of August this month. I mean this year, and it is long gone by I think 3 days or so. So we did not manage to get to the point that we really wanted to get to, and that's the nature of forex trading. By the way, we've learned to get to understand that at times in forex it is not about it's not about what you plan, but happens sometimes. The timelines can favor you. Sometimes you can end up doing exactly nothing. So we've been in the market, we showed up, everything has been okay. We've had setups, we've had setbacks, but I'm here to report that as we stand and as we speak today on the 26th of August, we've not been able to achieve our challenge. And again, we're still far away from the target. We are still in phase one of the account. Happens. We went up a bit, we went back into drawdowns and everything, but now we've recovered. We are almost at the break even. It's like now a starting point. But all through the journey, I want to say all is not lost, because there's a lot of lessons that have been learned and also a lot of things that have been learned. So tonight I'll be unveiling another strategy, or another challenge. It's still the same challenge, but now in a different angle. So tonight I might be unveiling it. So keep tuned, because we want to make use of each and every moment, because we still have faith. We still have faith. But I'm going to lay down a strategy that I'm going to break the challenge into smaller challenge. And tonight I'll be doing the launching of another challenge that you want to do. The bigger challenge is that one that has been there, but now I want to break it down into smaller challenge so that we are able to track it well and finish well. So that is the update so far on our challenge, and we thank God that He has sustained us throughout the times that we've been here since I think July when we started, or June. I think it's June. It's been 2 months of His sustenance, more than 2 months actually, and a lot has happened, and also some lessons that are deep that I've learned into the market. All right. So going forward, I'm going into a season of a season. I mean, I'm going forth with some lessons that I've learned from the market, which is very important to have the lessons so far. Average so far of the trades that we took, we can see clearly we are floating in profit. This one I talked about them this I think this afternoon, this morning. I talked about this trade. I talked about this trade and I gave you entries. Right now we are here floating in profits, and I know we're going to hit TPs, and we're going to these are going to be actually successful trades for today. I didn't give a setup for gold. Gold, we are still waiting to see if it will trigger this action point over here before looking for any further move. You can see it really triggered our draw of liquidity. It has come and triggered it like that. And now it is up to this level. So gold can actually even react to these levels over here. This video is more of an update on what actually is about to happen. I've updated you that we still in phase one. We didn't manage to pass, but tonight I'll be launching another marathon for the same challenge. But now I'm just going to break it down. So make sure you join us tonight as we unveil the new plan. But anyway, for today, these are the trades that we are having for today, and they are running zero drawdown. And if you are someone who has good capital and you are going in with a good lot size, this is an easy uh, about 24 pips. You only need like 6 more pips to hit 30 pips. And we see this one with a lot of one, I think you're getting 10 or something. Yeah, so that's a good number of a good number of a good trade that has happened so far, and also similar to this one here, so GU blah blah blah. But we are really want to see how it's going to react to this floor that is over here. That's what we want to see, as going to react to that floor, and see how to take our trades accordingly. And also it will be fast tracking this demand zone over here, like that. So anyway, this one niliwaambia kwamba we are going to go down. I know those ambao ambao kuingia nitawapea re-entries, might be able to get some re-entry once the price comes to this level here. Might get some retracement back here. I'll be able to give you some re-entry as we push down that way. All right. Another pair that I saw it ripe for this session, I think, was um this one here, because clearly there was a break of structure, as you can see, and again liquidity sweep, so we might have some push. And actually I'm looking forward to see this push happening all over to this level over here. That's actually my expectation of that particular push, although it is not yet ripe for trading. We still need some more confirmations, especially after price comes to this pivot point over here. So that one is a trade that is still cooking. Another one that I saw it cooking is was it this one? So this one um, we still have a cushion. I mean a floor over here that price can still react to it. Then we go to this one is NSD. This one I think it did what I was expecting. I said I should be able to see it has done that. There's been a liquidity sweep. Let me show you. There has been a liquidity sweep. There's been a liquidity sweep over here, like that. Um, like that, and now from sweeping liquidity, I can see clearly we have a break of structure to the upside, or sometimes they just call it a market structure shift, and price gave a retracement of almost, let me see, I always anticipate to have at least a 50% retracement. It has not really satisfactorily happened, so we might be able to have still a push to this around this zone here before I can confidently some buys of that particular pair. So as I've said, tonight I'll be launching tonight very late in the night. I'll be launching that. Please make sure you are there to see what's going to happen. What next after that? What next after that is something that you don't want to miss. This pair, I said, and I'm dealing with it, I missed some very, very good entry about this level here. And I think this was more than 100 pips for this pair. More than 100 pips. More than 100 pips. Because TP was there. 150 pips is an entry that I missed from last week. But it is what it is. This one I'm not in for anything. Then I'm not in for anything. But this one, I'm expecting some sales, first of all. This was the zone I was really anticipating to see price breaking below. It has broken below. Want to see some push to this level, and finally I want to see some push uh, down to that particular sea level. Now, if you look at the calendar tonight today is Wednesday. So if you look at the calendar for today, Wednesday again is characterized by having some weird news. Let's see if we have something on the calendar so that we know what we are doing at any given time. Sawa sawa. Today is Thursday, by the way. So there is nothing much. There is nothing much. There is nothing much happening in the calendar. So we're good to go. All right. So we are good to go. We are good to go. This is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a pair that I'm still learning it a bit. To be honest, I'm still learning it a bit. Then also US30, I'm still trying to understand the same to BTC. They're not my primary pair, so I'm trying to understand them. And also gold, it's there as I had said. Hii pen inaweza kufanya mbaya bana. Gold can do you bad things. Kwa gold nakaa tu, I don't know why, but I think gold ni kama vile naangalia gold ni kama haitaki akili mingi. My own reservations though, gold ni kama haitaki akili mingi, but anyway, it is what it is. So that's the update so far. I was just coming here to give you an update of the trades that I shared in the morning and how they are faring on. You can see it's really amazing. It's really cool how they are growing, how we are actually dipping down. So I'll come back at night to share more insights on the same. So otherwise, that has been for this time. It's been a short video, but it was just an update of what has happening so far. See you at night. Bye.